Join me as I dive into the stock market and challenge myself to predict whether the future is really bright for stocks or if we're in for a rough ride. When it comes to investing, having a solid understanding of stock futures is key. Not only do they provide a window into the market's expectations, but they can also serve as a valuable tool for investors looking to navigate the complexities of the market. And with the current economic climate being as unpredictable as ever, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and know what to expect from the stock market. The stock market has been on a wild ride lately, and it's no secret that investors are getting anxious. Volatility is at an all-time high, and with inflation on the rise, it's clear that something's got to give. But what does this mean for stock futures? Well, one thing is for sure, the road ahead won't be easy. Add to that the fact that global economic factors are becoming increasingly intertwined, and you've got a perfect storm brewing. We've seen it time and time again. A global event triggers a chain reaction of economic instability, and before we know it, the stock market is in free fall. And with the current state of global politics being what it is, it's only a matter of time before the next big shockwave hits. The question is, will we be ready? Can we anticipate the moves of the market and make informed decisions, or will we get caught off guard? As I see it, the biggest challenge facing the stock market right now is uncertainty. We've got central banks printing money left and right, and yet, the market still can't seem to find its footing. It's like trying to predict the weather. We can look at the trends, we can analyze the data, but at the end of the day, we're still just guessing. And that's what makes stock futures so fascinating. They're a tangible representation of our collective uncertainty. So, what do the experts think? Well, according to some top analysts, we're in for a bumpy ride. They point to historical trends and cite the laws of economics, but ultimately, it's all just speculation. I mean, who can honestly say what the future holds? One thing's for sure, though, the only way to stay ahead is to stay informed. When I look at the data, I see a few key trends emerging. For one, we're seeing a shift away from traditional asset classes and towards more alternative forms of investment. It's like investors are trying to hedge their bets, spreading their risk across multiple platforms in the hopes of coming out on top. And that's exactly what we should be doing, diversifying our portfolios, staying adaptable, and being prepared for anything. The other trend I see is a growing interest in ESG investing. That's environmental, social, and governance, for those who don't know. It's like investors are finally waking up to the fact that the market isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference, too. And that's music to my ears, because let's be real, we can't keep ignoring the elephant in the room: climate change, inequality, and all the rest. So, what's the verdict? Is the future of stock prices looking bright, or are we in for a world of trouble? Well, according to my analysis, there's one key insight that stands out: the next 12 months are going to be crucial. We're talking make or break time for the stock market, folks. If we can navigate the coming storm and come out the other side, then yes, the future is looking bright. But if we get it wrong, well, let's just say it won't be pretty. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. To all the investors out there, I hope you gained some valuable insights from this video. And if you didn't, well, that's okay too. There's always next time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on stock market tips and investment strategies. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear from you. What do you think the future holds for stock prices? Are you optimistic, or are you bracing for impact? Let's get the conversation started.